Hey guys, I'm going to record my pack openings of FIFA World Cup Xbox 360. Right, first pack. See what I get. Smalling, he's not bad. Got Smalling, nice. Store everything in my club. Oh, duplicate. It's ruined everything. Okay. Got 11k as well. Gonna open 2 more packs after this. Let's see what I get in this pack. Gomez, Hercules Gomez. Not bad. Could get better than that though. Border Boo, yeah. Nice cart, nice player. Oh, another duplicate. Get rid. Okay. Last pack before I buy the normal packs. The 5k. Let's see what I get. Close. I got close from Germany. Close from Germany. Yeah. Close from Germany. Oh, I'm so chuffed. Not the best card, but better than nothing. Better than no other player. Right. 5k. Let's do this. Right. Let's do this. Let's see what I get. Who do I get? Gerard! I got Gerard! Oh my god. And Sissoko as well. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know how happy I am at the minute. Get my free pack. Gerard. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so chuffed. Gerard. Oh my god. England superstar. Just there. Right there. Right, another 5k pack. Last pack. Let's see what I get. Come on. Uchi. But I got Fred. And Valencia. That's nice. Okay. Valencia and Fred. In that pack. Redeem my free pack. Oh, Wallace. Wow, got Valencia. That is... He's useless. He's useless to me. Oh, God's sake. Now, gotta move on to my FUT. Gotta go to the store. Oh God. Alright. Just sorting out my camera. Alright, Alaba pack. Let's see what I get. I know it's rubbish, but I'll skip it. It takes long. Oh, no, all rubbish, so I can quick sell that. I got 2k. Right, one more pack. I'm going to open a messy pack. It's going to take a long time. Alaba. Falcao. Messi, there we go. Didn't take that long at all. I could skip this because I got a good feeling about this. Don't know why, it's going to be rubbish, but it's only a gold pack. Musa, nice. Alexander, are you serious? Are you serious, EA? Okay. Musa, not bad footballer at all. Not gonna lie. I got 4k. Jesus. Alright, so that was the end of my pack opening. Subscribe and just tell me what you want me to do next. Okay.